Before carrying out any work on the electrical generating set, use the battery isolating switch to switch off the generating set. Take the earthing rod located inside the electrical generating set. Open the door to the power section. Loosen the nuts on the grounding bar as well as the 4 nuts located at the bottom of the power terminal strips. Loosen the 2 knobs located either side of the cable router flap. Feed the power connection cables through the cable router flap. Then connect them to the power bars and retighten the nuts. Next, connect the earth cable. Close the access door to the power section again. Finally, retighten the 2 knobs on the cable router flap. Then simply insert the earthing rod into the ground to a depth of 1 meter.